Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Pinterest. Whether you're learning a new language, traveling, or just prefer to use Pinterest in something other than your native tongue, this guide will walk you through the updated steps to get it done. Let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile icon. Tap on Saved at the bottom right corner. Then tap on your profile picture to access your profile. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see three dots. Tap on those dots to open a menu and then select Settings. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Now scroll down until you find Account Management and tap on it. Here you'll see several options related to your account. Look for Personal Information and tap on that. This section contains details about your profile and preferences. Finally, you'll find the Language option. Tap on it to see a list of available languages. Simply scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. Once you've made your selection, the app should automatically update to reflect your chosen language. Keep in mind that changing the language within the Pinterest app will only change the language of the menus, buttons, and other interface elements. It won't translate any user-generated content, such as pin descriptions or board names. If you want to see content in different languages, you can also adjust your language preferences to customize the content you see. This can be found in the same Personal Information section, where you initially found the Language option. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Pinterest. This should make it easier and more enjoyable to navigate and discover content in your preferred language. If you ever want to change it back, just follow these same steps and select your original language or another one you'd like to try. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now, you can explore Pinterest in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on using Pinterest and other social media platforms. Happy pinning!